Welcome to my 6th class IIT Foundation course in Mathematics. This is the book I am following. So this is the Mathematics, IIT Foundation Mathematics, Trisha's Pearson IIT Foundation. This is the latest edition. Now we are dealing with the mensuration, the chapter mensuration, and that too solids. In solids, in the previous video we have finished about the prism. Now we will see pyramid. Pyramid is a solid figure which is formed by a polygon base, and the vertices of the polygons are connected to a point in the air. The vertices of the polygon are connected to a point in the air. This is a pyramid, and the point in the air is called the vertex. Let it be O. And the base, we have taken a square as the base. Let the base be A, B, C, D. And all the vertices of the base are connected to the point O, which is in air. Thus, this solid figure is formed, and this is called a pyramid. So, the lateral sides of a pyramid are triangles, and the base is maybe any polygon. Here we take a square as the base. So, total surfaces or lateral surfaces are 4 here, as many number as the sides of the base. So here we take a square. So a square has 4 sides. Therefore, lateral surfaces are 4 lateral surfaces have for this pyramid, and a base surface. So total surfaces of this pyramid is 5. So number of sides of the base plus 1, number of sides of the base plus 1 is equal to total number of surfaces. Now take a center point to the base. Let it be O dash. Then join O dash. This line is called the axis of the pyramid, and the length of O dash is called the height of the pyramid. And if this line is perpendicular to the surface of the base, this is the base surface. If this axis is perpendicular, this pyramid is called a right pyramid. Right pyramid. Generally, we deal with the right pyramids only. Therefore, we call them as simply pyramids. So now onwards, if we say a pyramid, it is a right pyramid. The axis is perpendicular to the base of the pyramid. If the axis is not perpendicular to the base, then that pyramid is called oblique pyramid. Suppose we take a base, square base, and the point in the air is vertex O is taken here, and all the vertices of the base are joined to the vertices, that point, fixed point. Then this is the midpoint of the base. So the line joining the midpoint and the vertex is not perpendicular to the base. Therefore, this pyramid is called an oblique pyramid. Oblique pyramid. So in an oblique pyramid, the axis is not perpendicular to the base. So in all the pyramids we are going to deal with the axis is perpendicular to the base, and they are right pyramids, and we call them simply pyramids. In any pyramid, the lateral surfaces are triangles. The lateral faces or the lateral surfaces are all triangles, and the number of lateral faces is equal to number of sides of the base. So for a pyramid, For a pyramid, the number of surfaces is equal to number of sides of the base plus 1. The number of sides of the base plus 1. Next, the number of vertices of a pyramid is equal to number of vertices of the base plus 1. Next, the number of edges. The number of edges of a pyramid is equal to number of sides of the base into 2. So number of surfaces is equal to number of sides of the base plus 1. Number of vertices of a pyramid is equal to number of vertices of the base plus 1. The number of edges of the pyramid is equal to number of sides of the base into 2. These points holds good for all the pyramids, whatever may be the shape of the base. And the lateral surfaces are triangles for a pyramid. For example, we take a hexagonal prism. The base, the shape of the base is a hexagon. And there is a point in the air, and all the vertices are joined to that vertex point in air O. Let the hexagon be A, B, C, D, E and F. So for this number of surfaces to this pyramid is equal to number of sides of the base. As it is a hexagon, it has 6 sides plus 1. So for each side there is a triangular surface, lateral surface. Therefore for 6 sides there are 6 triangular lateral surfaces, and the next base surface is 1. Therefore number of surfaces is equal to 7. This is the total number of surfaces. If you want only the lateral surfaces, only the number of lateral surfaces, it is equal to number of sides of the base. So lateral surfaces are 6 for this one. Next, number of vertices. Number of vertices is equal to number of vertices of the base. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Next, number of edges. Number of edges is equal to number of sides of the base into 2. Number of sides of the base, because there are 6 edges here, and from all the vertex there is a line joining to the vertex of the pyramid. Therefore double. So number of sides of the base into 2, that is equal to 12. So number of edges is equal to 12. Number of vertices is equal to 7. Number of surfaces is equal to 7 for this hexagonal pyramid.